Hey guys, just a quick video here. I'm going to go through what I keep in my box, why I keep it in there, and what you should probably get in yours. I'm going to start over on this end. We'll leave the guns till later on. I have various different regulators, all different. We got the digital with the movable end, the digital with a solid state end. Some people don't like it with the airline, and that is also detachable. The digital readout is very, very accurate. It does it in PSI and bar. But I tend to favour your standard analog regulator just because it's on the gun. You can see what you're doing, change it up or down, no problems. A couple of Merca products here. We've got the Merca Shark Blade, the Merca Run File. We're all going to get runs at some point, so it's worth having something in your box. I tend to take care of my own runs because other people, they might bust through, whereas I've got a bit more experience, so handy to have. The Run File I will mention is, they're both coarse, but one is really coarse, and you don't want to go to town right away with that. You need a bit of finesse. We're using the Merca paint cup system. Fantastic. Same as your PPS pots, straight on the top of your gun, off you go. We have the Ring colour match torch. Fantastic, has two different settings. It's not as good as the 3M or the True Sun from SATA, but that's reflected in the price, and it's not that far off. Under a D65 sheet, there might be a bit of difference, but for something that's fairly accurate, it's worth having in your box for the price. Moving on to the Bandjet. Fantastic for drying your paint. I tend to use this on smaller jobs for speed. If it's a larger job, I say I'm doing the side of a car, I will use the blowers, and that gives me the freedom to go out, check my next colour, match it, mix it, come back in. So that's just efficiency, where in your shop it might be different, but it's nice to have, break it out. Move on to my spray guns now. I have the Walcom Slim X. It's fantastic. I use this as wet on wet. It's a 1.3 needle nozzle, so I can use it for base if I've got many colours on the go, a couple of different colour bumpers and I need an extra one. It's fantastic. You'll see I love Walcom here. I have the Ego 190, the Motivated Painters Edition. Great. Gabriel's a great guy, so check out his channel. Loads of tips and tricks on there. I have the HVLP. The fan on this is amazing, it's great coverage, great gun to have. We have a slightly different technology with the HTE, high transfer efficiency. Again, I think the fan's slightly smaller on this, but it gets more on the panel, so it's a trade up. If you like the old style, take the HVLP. If you like the new style, use the HTE. What else have we got? My HTE Clear. Now I've downgraded this to a base gun. This got a huge fan, excellent coverage. I'm surprised that it's a clear gun, to be honest. I like it for base, I really do. And we have, the reason that my clear gun is now a base is the Walcom Geo. I'll get some close-ups of this, but it's dual atomizing. So the air's atomized twice before it hits the panel. It's a great gun. It sprays down like glass every time. And that is my new lacquer gun. I'll have videos to follow. I'll do reviews of each gun. We're going to measure fan patterns. We're going to check the distance, how much wetting is applied when you do each pass with each different gun. So hope you enjoy it, and you'll see more videos from me in the future. Thank you. Like and subscribe.